top of the fucking sand, dude. It's like you're fucking surfing.
Where's this guy gonna go?
I've never even surfed, dude. It's like the closest thing. Look at the trail that goes across, Brad.
Looks like he's thinking about it. I think he's gonna hit that one over there.
These are 450, 4 strokes. It's gonna go on the one that I just talked about. Fucking crazy.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Fuck!
Oh! Damn!
You see how you have to fucking turn and be able to fucking stay on the gas?
Damn.
It's hard, dude. It's so hard. I can't believe you even fucking made it that far, dude. You see where it hit real powder? It just fucking fell out. He said, "Rah!"
Damn.
He did a hell of a job, though. Fuck.
Oh, that was a good video.
He's got to go down that, dude.
Yeah, I know. I'm still recording.
Oh my god.
Here he comes. Easy money.
Fuck.
Damn. That was fucking impressive.
You see when he cut to the bottom, it was like that?
Yeah.
'Cause he